Hari Om parents, class 1 children. Again here I am with you to teach you poem 10. What is the name of that poem I will not tell you first, but I will ask you some. You can see from the board, but I will ask you some questions, interesting question. Whom all you like very much in this world, children? First you will say mommy, then daddy, then my brother, my sister. Then you will say definitely my teachers, my school. I love my school and I love my teachers because you stay there minimum 6 to 7 hours. You play with your friends, you learn so many things from the school, you gain lot of knowledge and you will share all your feelings with your friends, and your teacher loves you, your teacher makes you correction also whenever you do wrong. So school is such a place, children, because teachers are there and friends are there, and to get the knowledge, very beautiful place. So who created our teachers, children? God created our teachers. God created us and this beautiful world, and including our teachers also. So I will read this poem, children. God created teachers and gave us special friends so that we understand His world and truly comprehend the splendor and the wonder of all that we can see and become better people with each discovery. God created teachers and gave us special guides to show us ways to grow, so we all could decide the way to live and way to do what is right instead of wrong, to lead us so that we can lead and learn how to be strong. So God created teachers with His wisdom and His grace to help us learn to make our world a better and wiser place. So children, who created God? Who created teachers, children? God created teachers and gave us special friends. Whenever we go to school, we get some special friends in our life, yes or no? In primary class, in KG class, in college days, in future, everywhere we get some special friends who will give us lot of mental relaxation. We can share our feelings. आमे आम सांगों सहित बहुत खुशी रे रहो. So who created our friends, children? God created our friends. Who created teachers? God created teachers so that we understand His world and truly comprehend. What is the meaning of comprehend, children? We can appreciate this world and we can appreciate first God to create this beautiful world with our parents, our brothers, sisters, and school, teachers, and our friends. So we can appreciate everything in this world only because of God created for us, for our happiness. The splendor and the wonder. What is the meaning of splendor, children? The brilliance, the wonderful and the brilliant world of all that we can see, become better people with each discovery. Mane, with each discovery we are getting better day by day. आमे सब बड़े डेवलप हो चुने कि गॉड जो दुनिया टा हम क्रिएट कर चंती, सांग दे चंती, टीचर दे चंती, आमे खुशी रे आमे बड़ हो जाउचु, आउ आमे गोटे दिन भलो मनीष होउचु because of God. God created teachers and gave us special guide. So God created teachers. काहे कि से क्रिएट कर चंती हमको भलो रास्ता रे नेबा पे, हमको गाइड करिबा पे, to show us ways to grow so that we can decide what is good and what is bad. So a special person, a teachers whom God created only to show us guide, give us guidance and to show the better path to walk. आमे भलो रास्ता रे किमती आमे चलिबा, भगवान हमको के टीचर माने हमको रास्ता देखौचंती, तांको के क्रिएट कले? भगवान सृष्टि कले. The way to live and way to do what is right instead of wrong. Instead of wrong, teachers always teach us to do right thing, to lead us so that we can lead and learn how to be strong. They will lead us. माने हमको एमिति रास्ता देखे देबे जो रास्ता रे जाय कि हमें केबे भी भूल जिंस को बाछिबानी. भूल जिंस बदल रे हम कोन बाछिबा? भलो जिंस बाछिबा और बहुत स्ट्रांग है कि हमें भविष्य रे हमरो भविष्य को गड़ी किरी नबा. So God created teachers with His wisdom and with His grace to help us learn to make our world a better and wiser place. So God created teachers with His wisdom. माने बहुत भाबी चिंती जने जने मनुष्य को भगवान क्रिएट करि थांती नै कि से निश्चय गोटे मनुष्य को एमिति टीचर कर तैयारी कर देबे जे कि हजार हजार पिला हमको से रास्ता देखे परिबो नै कि with His wisdom and with His grace to help us to learn to make our world a better and wiser place. Our world will be better because of the teachers' guidance and better education, better knowledge. That's all about your God created teachers, children. Thank you.